At Poolstar, our workspace reflects our philosophy. Every desk, every lab, every meeting room is built to foster collaboration without clutter, because the way we work shapes the products we create. We don't just build pool cleaners. We build solutions one conversation, one prototype, one breakthrough at a time. Trust isn't given. It's earned certification by certification, patent by patent, market by market. Every Poolstar product travels through a meticulously orchestrated manufacturing process, from component placement to assembly, from software flash to final calibration. Automated systems work alongside skilled technicians. At every station, quality is checked, not at the end, throughout, because catching a problem early is better than fixing one late. At Poolstar, we are united by a single purpose: to make pool maintenance effortlessly simple. Engineers who swim in their own pools, designers who hate dirty water as much as you do, production workers who take pride in every unit that leaves the line. A clean pool shouldn't come at the cost of a dirty planet. Our products are designed to consume less power, whether through solar energy, low-voltage lithium batteries, or efficient motors that do more with less. The future of pool cleaning isn't just cordless. It's responsible,